My daughter Daisy, also known as the artist Daisy with no spaces on YouTube, I feature some of her work, giving her some shout outs. You've probably seen some of her work. Anyway, she's really good at doing portraits. She's really good at drawing. Russian nesting dolls, she paints them. Henna tattoos. And now she started doing caricatures. She found some of these are pictures she found online and she did those, but then she went to a nursing home and got some real life, real world practice. The people in the nursing home, it's a win-win. They get somebody to talk to for a few minutes, and after she's finished, she gives them the portrait to keep. And then the smiles on their faces say it all. They love the attention, somebody to talk to, a picture to keep at the end. And she loves doing it. She's planning to go back and do some more. She's been up twice. She's made about 15 caricatures. This is 4 of the 15. Let me know if you want to see more, and I'll leave a link below in case you want to see more of her work. And thanks so much for watching.
Certain people on the committee and I'm on it as a chaplain. So.
Alright, I'm finished.
That's cute.
Okay.
Yeah, y'all are adorable.
She doesn't want to bend that pencil to the floor.
How does the hair look?
That's a
That
good
should
one.
look like it.
Give us some money for this. Okay. Go get it.
Can I get y'all's picture holding it?
Let's see.
Turn it around. Yeah, where you want to turn it, that's correct.
Y'all can both hold it together.
All right.
There you go. Yeah, thank you guys for letting me sketch you.
Thank you.
Cases of water, so I have to drink the right water again. And then she gets me face wipes, a big box, so I can take my makeup off. Lovely person.
Great. Okay.
What you think?
What do you think?
You gotta look at that, ain't me? It looks like you.
It looks like me.
It does.
Yeah.
That is you.
It does look good, don't
No,
it?
I said that is you. It looks good. That's crazy.
Good doing it.
Yeah, very good.
Now, you want that donation?
No, that's okay.
Okay,
Thank you though.
that's pretty.
Yeah. You care if I take a picture though?
Okay.
Yeah. Just hold it up.
Oh,
And smile with it.
Is it annoying?
No.